Hello aviation lovers guys, very good evening to all. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, today we'll be discussing about the latest Air India Airport Service Limited vacancies which has came for the Chennai base. So if you are from Chennai, guys, be ready to attend the walk-in interview which is going to take place at Chennai site. Guys, this vacancy is much more beneficial for those candidates, those who are from South. For example, if you're from Hyderabad, Secunderabad, if you're from Bangalore, if you're from any other place, you can go. But the vacancies, if you will be getting selected, you'll be working at Chennai base. So people from Chennai, guys, be ready because this interview are going to be taken place at Chennai, and people from other places also you can go and you can give the interview at Chennai location. So guys, today in this video we'll be discussing about the detailed procedure, how to apply, how much salary will be getting, what is the age, minimum age and maximum age qualification, how to apply, how to give the walk-in interview, where the interview will be conducted, with the date, time, venue, each and everything we'll be discussing about the today's vacancy. So guys, if you're new on the channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Aviation Live. As I'm able, I can see that still now I'm talking about you. Yes, you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, and you, as you can see, there is only 63.6% people who have not subscribed yet. So guys, only 36% people who have subscribed. So if you have not subscribed, do subscribe because I'm bringing a lot of new vacancies just for you all guys. So if you want a latest job update regarding aviation industry, if you want to join airlines, if you want to learn about new things about aviation industry, so guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel Aviation Live because this things motivates me to make new video as fast as possible. Guys, one more thing is that every day at night 9 p.m. I used to come live in YouTube, and here at night live session I'll be clearing your basic doubts regarding the interview. So guys, do subscribe and also press the bell notification icon. So what I have to do is that to search for the vacancy, I have to write in Google, I have to come back and I have to write Air India Airport Service Limited, right? For example, here I have to write Google and I have to write Air India Airport Service Limited. After clicking here, I can see the career. After clicking the career, I can see the recruitment. After clicking, I have to click on this page, and here the new PDF will appear, right? This PDF I have shared in my Telegram is in description. You can go down and you can click on the Telegram link and you can join my Telegram group where I'll be sharing latest job updates, right? So as we can see that it's clearly mentioned that this vacancy is for the executive customer service executive, and number of vacancies are 144, and the walk-in date and time, the day walk-in date is 12/11. So interview will be going to conduct at 12th of November and 13th of November. Date time is 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. right? This is the time, and the venue is Office of HRD Department, Air India Utility Complex, Pallavaram Cantonment, Chennai 600043. Right. So guys, I guess you might have got a better idea that what position they're hiring. They're hiring for the Chennai station, right? So if you got selected, you'll be working at Chennai base. You will be working at Chennai base position. Your position will be customer service executive. The vacancies is that 144 is a very huge vacancies. A lot of airlines, a lot of ground handling agencies, they never ever have hired this much amount of people, but now they're hiring 144 vacancies. Now coming to walk-in date. Walk-in date is, guys, do take a screenshot of this thing if you want to take, right? Walk-in date is 12th of November 2022 and 13th of November 2022, and venue is again Office of HRD Department, Air India Utility Complex, Pallavaram, Kantur. Now coming to the next thing is that what is the salary and what is the education qualification they are required. So guys, the education qualification for customer service executive is graduate from recognized university under 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern, and preference will be given to candidates having airlines, GHA, ground handling agency, cargo, airlines ticketing experience, or airlines diploma certified course like diploma ITA. So if you have done, you will be given preference, but it doesn't mean that only this candidate will be selected who are having all these qualities. Even though if you have done BE, BTech, you can go and you can apply for this kind of job. Now, the next thing is that it doesn't mean that preference will be given. Guys, remember one thing: there will be very less people who will be going to appear for this interview because they are charging a fees, right? So if they are charging fees, there are very high chances that the competition will be a bit less. Now, coming to the next thing, preference will be given. It doesn't mean कि इन्हीं लोग को select करेंगे. If you are not coming to criteria, don't worry, you're a graduate, you will be getting advantage. Now, good command or spoken and written language apart from that Hindi and mother tongue. So if you're from Chennai, guys, it's a very good opportunity for you. Even though if you're from South, if you're from Andhra, Chennai, if you're from Bangalore, if you're from Kerala, guys, this is a much more better opportunity. Now, how much salary you will be getting, guys? 21,300 rupees is a salary, basic salary. For general, the age criteria is 18 to 28-year-old. For OBC, it's 31-year-old, and if you belong to ST and SC category, will be 33-year-old. So this is a age qualification upper age limit which it's clearly mentioned. Now coming to the next thing, how to apply for this kind of job. So guys, to apply for this kind of job, here it's clearly mentioned the company at the intro group discussion introduce. The first round will be a group discussion round, right? Second round will be a interview round. Outstation candidate advice to take make the if you're from outside, if you're from pan India, if, for example, if you're from Delhi, if you're from Ludhiana, if you're from Punjab, if you're from Jammu Kashmir, if you're from any other place, so guys, you have to do your own arrangement of lodging and boarding at their own cost. And guys, remember one thing, that there will be no kind of reimbursement, right? Now again, how to apply? So applicant meeting with eligibility criteria mentioned in the advertisement as on 1 November 2022 are required to walk in person to the venue, date and the time specified. Application fee of rupees 500 rupees. So what you have to do is that you have to make a demand draft in favor of Air India Airport Service Limited of 500 rupees payable at Mumbai. No fees are to be paid by ex-servicemen. So if you are from ex-serviceman category, if you're from ST and SC category, guys, no need to pay any kind of money. You have to directly appear for this kind of interviews. Now, next thing, what kind of document you have to carry? So guys, what you can do is that you can read in this, read each and everything. So now coming next thing is that Aviation Life is a guys is an ed tech company which provide online classes to crack airlines ground staff and cabin crew interview. Till now from our courses we have more than 240 selections in airlines industry as a ground staff and as a cabin crew. And one more thing is that lot of students, guys, remember one thing, don't share with anyone, a lot of students they have even cracked Qatar Airways cabin crew interview. So guys, in this coaching will be provided online classes. And guys, one more thing is that key admissions have started for 1 November crash course, even though admissions are going to close for 1 November crash course. And I have cracked various departments, various airlines ground staff and cabin crew interviews. So guys, I'm having 8 years of experience, and this 8 years of experience will be helping you to get advantage to crack any airlines ground staff and cabin crew interview. Now coming to the next thing, what things I'll be teaching in this course? I'll be teaching you how to crack airlines ground staff interview. I'll be teaching you how to give answer. I'll be teaching you what response they are looking for. I'll be teaching you what mistakes you do. I'll be making you proficient in group discussion. I'll be making you Sigma to crack any airlines ground staff and cabin crew interview. Guys, this course is scientifically designed in such a way that you guys can crack easily ground staff and cabin crew interview with sitting at your home. No need to go anywhere outside all over India. It's available all over India. Even the people from Dubai, people from UAE, people from Iran, they used to come and they used to learn different kind of techniques what we are teaching in our country. Now coming to the next thing, there are certain fees which you are charging. We are charging 4,000 rupees for ground staff crash course and 4,000 rupees for cabin crew crash course. So what extra things which you will get in our course, guys? In this course, you'll be getting a reference which I'll be giving. Second thing is that we will be giving of some airlines, not of every airlines. The second thing is that what we'll be giving you notes. We'll be giving you notes, plus in that notes you will be getting sample questions, not sample questions. We'll be getting the questions which are asked in the interview. Plus we'll be getting questions plus answers of different questions. We'll be getting notes. We'll be getting handouts. We'll be getting recorded lectures for lifetime. We'll be getting live classes for 15 days, master classes in 15 days for in the Google Meet. And the next thing is that you'll be getting different kind of things which will be helpful for you to crack airlines ground staff interview, right? We're also making free CV, recorded lectures, mock interviews, references, each and everything are available in just 4,000 rupees. So guys, if you're interested, if you want to crack, now a lot of people will be asking, show me the proof, guy, show me the proof, man. So guys, what you can do is that you can search our channel Aviation Life. After coming to our channel, what you can do is that you can watch videos. After coming to videos, you can see that a lot of students, they have already cracked ground staff and cabin crew interview. Deepak has cracked Vistar Islands ground staff interview. Vanshika has cracked SpiceJet cabin crew interview. If you scroll down, you can see again Anubha has cracked Qatar Airways cabin crew interview. Even though this is a demo lecture which you can see how I teach, the way I teach. Vinay is very much excited after cracking Indigo Airlines ground staff interview. If you scroll down, you can again see how students get cracking against Singapore Airlines interview, Indigo Airlines interview. Again, scroll down, guys. It's full of vacancies, full of videos. Mank has cracked Akasa Airlines cabin crew interview, and again people are cracking again interviews again and again. So if you want to crack it anyhow, what you have to do is you have to send me a WhatsApp message. My number 799950844 is my personal number. I belong to country India, so if you want, you can use country code +91. You can call me between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. and this number is only for the admission purpose. So if you want only admission, guys, do send me a WhatsApp message in my number 799950844. Now, the next thing is that we will be discussing about how to apply for this kind of job. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You have to print out. You have to take printout of all these pages. आपको सारे के सारे पेज का printout निकालना है. After taking printout from, you have to fill all these things, right? Advertisement. इसको ऊपर को नहीं भरना है, guys. If you scroll down, you can see the format is clearly mentioned. Do fill all the form. Do fill each and everything, right? And do fill each and everything, and do sign, and do carry all the documents which is mentioned. This is the format of OBC category because, and this is a format for caste certificate of ST and SC. This is a format of if you belong to government of EWE economically weaker section. This is a format of right? Yeah, it's clearly mentioned that you have the signed signature which you need is of DM, district magistrate, ADM, chief deputy collector, deputy commissioner, subdivisional officer, extra session commissioner, right? These are the documents which you have to carry at the time of interview. You have to carry all the documents in original format. Application fee, school leaving certificate, 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, 1, 2, 3, graduation mark sheet, degree certificate, MBA with MBA certificate, diploma, caste certificate, experience letter if you are having experience certificate, nationality, domicile, PAN India, PAN card, Aadhaar card, income asset certificate, Xerox copy you have to carry, license if you're going for especially for the driver vacancies, you guys you have to carry all these documents in original format and all as well as also photocopy format. And you have to, the most important thing is that don't forget about the what you can say about the demand draft. That's the most important part. So in demand draft you have to make a demand draft of 500 rupees and then in the favor of AI Air India Airport Service Limited and which is payable at Mumbai. So guys, this was all about the video. I guess you might have got better clarity. Do join me at live session at 9 p.m. today and you'll be getting much more better perspective regarding this kind of interviews. All the best for this interview. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and do support us to grow. Now next thing is that key, if you subscribe my channel, then only it will motivate me to work hard. And guys, I'm bringing the vacancies as much as fast as I can, and every day at 9 p.m. I'm live in my YouTube session. You can ask me your basic doubts and we coach people to crack airlines ground staff an interview. Do join our classes, and if you join my classes I guarantee you that you will be getting selected. But the thing is that you have to follow my guidance and my strategy. With my guidance, more than 250 students are getting selected and they are working in airlines industry as a ground staff and cabin crew. So if you want to be the next one, do join fast, do come and join us and we'll be coaching you to crack airlines ground staff and interview. Bye bye guys. Jai Hind to all. मिलते हैं next video. Bye bye.